In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a receipt on Shopify. This process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few simple steps, allowing your customers to have a record of their purchase directly in their inbox. First, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your Shopify admin account. This is your main control center, where all the action happens. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see the Orders tab. Click on it. This will bring up a list of all the recent orders placed in your store. Here, you can also see important details such as order numbers, customer names, and order statuses. Now, find the specific order for which you need to send a receipt. This could be using the customer's name or perhaps the order number if you have that handy. Once you've located the order, click on it to open up the order details. This gives you a detailed view of the customer's purchase, including what they bought, how much they paid, and any discounts that might have been applied. The next step is to look for the option that says More Actions on the order page. It's usually located on the top right corner, but depending on updates or customization, it might be in a slightly different spot. Clicking on More Actions will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options related to the order. Here, you want to choose Send Receipt. A dialog box will appear, usually pre-filled with the customer's email address. This form is automatically populated based on the data entered at checkout. It's a good idea to take a moment at this step to ensure the email is correct. Sending the receipt to the wrong address can lead to unnecessary confusion for your customer. If everything looks correct, go ahead and click the Send button. The receipt will then be on its way to your customer's inbox. Keep in mind, the email receipt serves as a confirmation of purchase, including details like the order number, the items ordered, and the total cost. Additionally, if you have included your store's branding in your Shopify account, these emails will also reflect your brand's look and feel, creating a cohesive experience for your customers. In summary, logging into your Shopify account, navigating to the Orders section, selecting the correct order, and using the More Actions menu to send a receipt can be done in just a few clicks. This process enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring they have all the details of their transaction at their fingertips. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to send a receipt in Shopify. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Remember, providing clear receipts can go a long way in building trust with your customers. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to customer support. See you in the next video.